Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional looking WhatsApp account on your Android with just a few simple steps. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Installing the app. Open Play Store, search for WhatsApp, tap on Install button, and it will take some moments. The time will depend on the network speed. Step 2. Creating the account. Go to WhatsApp, select the preferred language. I'm selecting English here. You can choose your preferred language. Tap on the arrow icon to go to the next step. Tap on Agree and Continue. Allow WhatsApp to send you notification in the pop-up menu. Next, type your valid mobile number. After that, tap on the Next button and confirm your number by tapping on Next on the pop-up menu. You will receive a 6-digit code by SMS. Copy and paste it to verify your number. Next, tap on Continue. Allow WhatsApp access to your contacts. Next, type your name. Tap on the camera icon to choose your profile icon. In WhatsApp, you can also click a picture of yourself from the camera roll or select a photo from the gallery. I'm selecting a picture from my gallery. Tap on Next. Skip the optional steps if there is any. Your new WhatsApp account is created. And that's it. You've successfully created your WhatsApp account on Android. If you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.